So the process to avoid tolls on Google Map is quite easy and simple. Just open up the app, and it is same for Android or iPhone. So just go and put in the destination that you want to go to, and just go and tap on direction. So you can see a route here, and if you want to avoid all the tolls, you need to just go and do a bit of a setting. For that, you need to go and tap on these three dots at the right top corner. So you can see three dots. Tap this and you have to go to options. In some of the cases, it might be route options, but it's usually options. And once you tap on that, this would open up. And the first thing is avoid tolls. Turn this on. And now you need to go back by tapping on this back button. And once you do so, so now you can see in some cases the route will not change. In some cases, it will change depending upon the route. And now you can see at the top it says avoiding tolls. So now you are avoiding tolls, and I hope this video will save you a lot of money, and maybe feel free to give me that. So there is super thanks too. So yeah, just like the video, and I hope it helps.